Hi guys, another thing I'm advising you to do is install the GTK3 documents. So there's another app and it's called GTK3 Docs. Install that one as well and you'll find useful information. When you use pacman, you can actually see what is installed on your system, right? And I just copy pasted this line, put it in there in Thunar basically, and then I got this. Well, I've searched for the index file, and this is the index.html. So we have our documentation offline, and I know that might be important from some users that have bad internet or no energy, no electricity, right? Things like that. It's not easy sometimes. So we have this documentation already here locally, and I'm gonna read through it. Not every single letter, but I'm gonna read, well, in general terms through it. All right? Cheers.